Here's how to convert to WAV for free. So that's that waveform audio file or .wav. And I created an app called ConvertSave. It is a drag and drop file converter. So if you have other audio files like M4A, MP3, or if you have video files, we'll throw some of those in there. So I got a couple MP4s over here. We'll throw them in there as well. All we have to do is go select output and then go down to wave and hit convert. It'll save the wave next to wherever those files originally came from. So we got some in this, the ones that were the MP4 video files we saved here in this folder, and over here we've got the wave files over here next to these other ones. Now, one quick note, they were both named sample, and so we had two sample.waves that were saved. Well, it's not going to just overwrite them. One will be named sample, and the other one is just going to add that little identifier, right? Like a copy of it. And so that's one thing to know. If you have multiple files that are named the same thing, then it's actually going to create a copy. Anyway, I was sick of uploading files to random sketchy websites, and so I talked to my brother, who's a developer, and we made this file converter that can do images and audio and video. And on this video, you can check it out for free with the link in the description down below. Hopefully you guys find it useful and you want to keep it around. But either way, if you're just trying to convert to WAV right now for free, use that link down there and you can do that with ConvertSave. Like I said, it works offline. It works on Mac and Windows. I appreciate the support, you guys, and I will see you in the next one.